Welcome back to my YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Atahar Parveen. In this lecture, I am going to give a very good revision for mean, median and mode in statistics based on Karnataka TET, Hstr and CRISE syllabus. Mean, median and mode, we have these three terms in measurement of central tendency. Each and every question which I am going to solve in this lecture is very important from the point of view of Hstr, CRISE and of course Karnataka TET also. At least two questions I am expecting from mean, median and mode in Karnataka TET and Hstr. Okay, every time they ask questions from this, right? So let us start then. First question is the mean of first 10 natural numbers is. We have to find the mean of first 10 natural numbers. Now we know what is mean, right? In our first lecture of statistics only we learned what is mean. It is sum of all values of observations divided by number of observations. Number of observations. So this is mean, correct? Now what are the first 10 natural numbers? First we should know it, right? Then only we can find the mean of those 10 natural numbers. What are they? It will start from 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. They will go up till 10. These are the first 10 natural numbers. Now to find the mean, what we have to do? We have to take sum of these numbers, all numbers, 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 divided by number of observations. What are the number of observations? 10 numbers are there, right? So in the denominator you will write 10. Now if you add all these natural numbers, no, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10, you will get 55. 55 divided by 10. This will be 5.5. So this will be your mean. So option C will be the right answer. The mean of first 10 natural numbers will be 55. Okay. Next question. If mean of 4, 6, 8, 10, x, 14, 16 is 10, then the value of x is. Same formula you can use here also. Mean is equal to sum of all values of observations divided by number of observations. So what are the all values of observations here? We have to add. It is 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus x plus 14 plus 16 divided by number of observations. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 will be there in the denominator. And this is equal to mean, right? What is the value of mean here? They are given 10. So mean will be 10. Or if I add everything in the numerator, I will get 58 plus x is a variable, I cannot add it, divided by 7 is equal to 10. Or 58 plus x is equal to 70. Or x is equal to 70 minus 58. Or x will be equal to 12. So option B will be the right answer. Okay. So this is how you can find the mean of the numbers, or using the mean of the numbers you can find the missing number from the given data. Next question, question number 3. The mean of x, x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4, x plus 5 and x plus 6 is. So mean is equal to sum of the observations. What are they? X plus 1 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 3 plus x plus 4 plus x plus 5 plus x plus 6. So much are there. So many observations are there. Divided by how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you will have 7 in the denominator. So here 7x are there, right? 7x plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. It will be around 6. 6 plus 4 will be 10. 10 plus 5 will be 15. Plus 6 will be 21. It will be 21 and you will have 7 in the denominator. Here you can take 7 common, right? If you take 7 common, it will be 3 here. 7 3s is 21. divided by 7. 7 will get cancelled and mean will be equal to x plus 3. So option B will be the right answer. Okay, moving on. Next question. Till now we found the mean, right? Now in this question we have to find the median. The median of 2, 3, 2, 5, 6, 9, 10, 12, 16, 18 and 20 is. So to find the median, if you have attended my last class, you will know if the number of observations are even, there is one formula. If the number of observations are odd, there is another formula. Let us see whether these observations are odd or even. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So number of observations are 11 and they are odd. So the formula to find the median for odd number of observations is half into n plus 1. Now this will be n, right? So half into 11 plus 1 will be equal to half into 12 or 6. So sixth term will be the median. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this will be the median. Median will be 9. Sixth term. Okay. So this is the sixth term which is equal to 9. So option A will be the right answer. Okay. Moving on. Question number 5. The median of 2, 3, 6, 0, 1, 4, 8, 2, 5 is. See, if you have attended my last class, you must remember that we had 3 steps, right? The first step to find median was that the series should be in ascending order. In previous sum, the series was in ascending order. Correct? That's why we did not change the order here. Because after 2, 3, 2 means already it is there here, 5 was there. Correct? So it was already in ascending order, so we did not bother. But here the series is not there in ascending order. 2, 3, 6, 0, 1, 4, 8, 2, 5. There is no order only. So we have to write the series first in ascending order. Means from smaller number to bigger number we have to write. Then we will see whether the number of observations are odd or even. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number of observations are 9, which is odd. So we will use that formula, half into n plus 1. Correct? If it was even, by chance if it was even, means number of observations were even, then we would take the sum of the middle two numbers and divide it by 2. Means we would find the average of the middle two numbers in the given statistical data. That would be our median. Okay. Now we will see this. First we will change this order into ascending order. How we will write it? 0, 1, 2, then again 2 is there, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 8. So whether we are getting 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, we are getting 9. Now we find the median. Median is equal to half into n is 9, right? So we will write 9 here in place of n plus 1. So it will be half into 10 or 2 ones are 2 5s are. Fifth term will be the median. Fifth term of this series, not this series. Fifth term of the ascending order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So median will be 3. Correct? Fifth term is the 3. So option B will be the right answer. Okay. So I hope you are feeling happy now because this was a very good revision for median, right? So in that previous class of median and mode, I did few numericals, but they were typical. I did not do any repeated or tricky numericals. So this worksheet will give you a good idea and good explanation and good practice for all the 3 measures of central tendencies, mean, median and mode. Okay. Moving on, next question. Question number 6. We have to find the mode. 1, 0, 2, 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, 1, 0. But they have given just xi is there. That too also repeated numbers are there. In mode, remember, no repeated number should be there. When we make the frequency distribution table, no repeated numbers. That repeated numbers will contribute to the number of frequency. Okay. Let us make this table, then we will understand. This is xi, this is fi. Okay. We will start from 0. 0, How many zeros are there here? 1, 2. 2 zeros are there. Then 1. How many ones are there? 3. Next 2. How many 2s are there? 2. Then 3. How many 3s are there? Just 1 3 is there. So 1. Next 4. 4 will be, I think, one time only. 1. Then 5 also 1. Okay. So here we will not repeat the numbers and we will write them in ascending order. This is the procedure to find the mode. Now what is mode? Mode is the corresponding xi for the maximum frequency. That is only mode, right? Which is the maximum frequency here? 3 is the maximum frequency. What is the corresponding xi? It is 1. So your mode will be 1. That's all. Option C will be the right answer. Okay. Next, question number 7. If mode of 2, 3, 5, 4, 2, 6, 3, 5, 5, 2 and x is 2, then the value of x is. For this also we will have to write the frequency table. Xi, then Fi. Then we will not repeat the numbers and we will write them in ascending order, right? So 2, how many times it is there? 3 times. Then 3. Then how many times it is there? 2 times. 4, it is 1 times. 5, it is 3 times. 3 times, right? 1, 2, 3. 3 times. Then 6, it is only 1 time. Then x, this is also 1 time. So this is our frequency table, right? So in this frequency table, we have to find the value of x. Correct? But mode is 2 they have given. Now if the mode will become 2, then the frequency should be maximum, right? So the maximum frequency is for 2 and for 5. But mode is 2. That means this x should be 2. Then only that frequency will become 4 for 2. And maximum frequency will be the mode, right? So the mode should be 2. I hope you understood. I will write it again if you want. See, xi, fi, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will write x here. Just to explain you. 2 came 3 times already. X 1 time it is there. 3 2 times it is there. 4 1 times and 5 is 3 times and 6 is 1 time. Correct? Now mode they have given that it is 2. That means for the corresponding maximum frequency only, what is the value of xi? That is only mode, right? Now maximum frequency is for 2 and for 5. But 5 is already there here, right? But mode is 2, right? So this should be 2. Then the frequency will be 4. Means here the maximum frequency is 4. For the corresponding maximum frequency, mode is 2. Correct? I hope you understood now. So option A, 2 is the right answer. Next, question number 8. Question number 8 is the modal class of the following distribution is. Modal class means they want you to find the mode. But here xi is not given. In place of xi they are given class interval. Means you find the corresponding class interval for the maximum frequency. Correct? Modal class means it is the same like mode. But we told mode if the deviations were given, if xi was given. Modal class will be for class intervals. That's all. Maximum frequency will correspond to modal class intervals. Which is the maximum frequency here? In 4, 7, 12, 8 and 2. Maximum is 12, right? So what is the corresponding class interval? 20 to 25. So option B. This will be the modal class. That's all. This is the right answer. Okay. Next, question number 9. A teacher asked the students to find the average marks obtained by the class students in maths. The student will find what? Whether he will find mean, mode, median or sum. Of course he will find mean, because mean is sum of the observations divided by number of the observations. Means it is nothing but calculating the average. Correct? That average only the teacher is asking the students to find, right? So mean will be the right answer for this question. Next, question number 10. The empirical relationship between the three measures of central tendency is Remember what is the empirical relationship we told? It should be 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 median. So option B will be the right answer. This is the empirical formula. Direct formula they have asked in this question. But usually in the exam they will ask you twisted. How they will ask? They will ask like this. Mode will be equal to 3 median minus 2 mean or something like that. Okay. With the arithmetic operations jumbled, they will ask you one question. You should be ready. If you will be perfect with this empirical relationship, then you can rearrange them and write. Okay. So option B will be the right answer. Next question number 11. Class mark of class 19.5 to 29.5 is. They are asking you class mark. Remember class mark or xi. How you find class mark? You do it with the upper limit plus lower limit by 2. This is your class mark. If you add, you will get 49 by 2, 24.5. Option C will be the right answer. Okay. It is upper limit plus lower limit by 2. This will be your class mark. Means basically you are finding the midpoint of this given class interval. Okay. That is your class mark. Question number 12. Measure of central tendency is represented by the abscissa of the point where the less than ogive and more than ogive intersect is. This is how you can find the median using the graph. This type of graph, it is known as ogive. Okay. This type of graph is known as ogive. If you draw two graphs like this, that graphs, if they intersect at one point, that point you draw till x-axis. X-axis is also known as abscissa. Okay. Y-axis is also known as ordinate axis. Okay. So if you draw these two ogives and where this ogives will intersect, you draw one line to the x-axis. That point will give you the median. Okay. That point will give you the median. So now you can answer this question. The measure of central tendency is represented by abscissa, means x-axis of the point where less than ogive and more than ogive will intersect. So option B, median will be the correct answer. Okay. Less than ogive means the value of the ogive will be less. More than ogive or greater than ogive means the value will be more. Okay. This is a lesser number. This is a greater number. When they intersect, you draw that line to the x-axis or abscissa and you find the median. Okay. This concept I didn't explain because it is not needed, I thought. Anyway, because we got a question, I am giving you idea for this question also. I am giving you a good explanation so that you'll remember. By chance, if they ask, very less chance are there. Still, if they ask, you can give the answer for this question. Now, the question is the median class of the following distribution is. Now, till now, we had frequency distribution with xi and fi, right? In place of xi, they have given you class interval. That's all. You can make a frequency distribution table. You can find summation fi. Then you can write the cumulative frequency. Correct? You remember the procedure to find the median? Anyway, I will solve it. You understand now. The class intervals and then the frequency fi and then the cumulative frequency. Class intervals are 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, then 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, then 60 to 70. Correct? Then fi they have given 4, 4, 8, 10, 12, 8 and 4. Now what will be summation fi? Summation fi will be 50. It will be 50. Then how you find the cumulative frequency? You write 4 as it is first. Then you add 4 plus 4, it will be 8. Then you add 8 plus 4. What will 8 plus 4 be? It will be 16. Then you add 16 plus 8 plus 4. That is how you find cumulative frequency, right? Then you get 26. Then again you add 26 with all these three numbers. Then you get 38. Then you get 46 and then you get 50. Correct? Last number will be same as summation fi. This is your cumulative frequency. Now you find summation fi by 2. Summation fi by 2 is 50 by 2. This will give us 25. Now what will be the median? Median will be the number corresponding to the cumulative frequency which is just greater than 25. What is just greater than 25 here? It is 26, right? So what is the corresponding number or the class interval as per this question to the this cumulative frequency which is just greater than 25? It is 30 to 40. Correct? So option C will be the right answer. See, if you are attending this class for the first time, then you will not understand. Friends, please go and watch the second lecture. Then only you will understand the procedure to solve median. Okay? Moving on, question number 14. The question is, the mean of 20 numbers is 17. If 3 is added to each number, then the new mean is. This is a very interesting question. See, what is mean? We know that mean is equal to sum of the observations. How many observations are there? 20 observations are there. So, sum of 20 numbers divided by number of observations. How many observations are there? 20 observations are there. Correct? Now, this is equal to 17 it seems. So, this will be equal to 17 or sum of 20 numbers is equal to 17 into 20 or this will be equal to 340. Now they are telling if 3 is added to each number, then the new mean is. Means if you add 3 to each number, what will happen? You will have to write like this, right? It will become 3 times 20 because you are adding 3 to each number. Means 3 times 20 plus the sum of 20 numbers. It is 340. Correct? So this will give you 60 plus 340 or this will be 400. Now I have to find the mean for this 400 because see, if I make this equation as 1 from equation 1, now I have to find mean, right? Sum of 20 numbers what I got? Sum of 20 numbers I got 400 divided by 20. Now I will not write 17 because this is new mean, right? This is new mean which I am finding. This will be equal to 2 2s are 4, 20. 0 0 will get cancelled. So 20 will be the right answer. So new mean will be 20. Option A will be the right answer. Okay. If you are not understanding, please pause the video and write by yourself and see. Then you will understand this sum. Okay. We have done nothing. With the old mean, we have calculated sum of 20 numbers. Using that value, we have calculated the new mean. That's all. Okay, moving on. Next question number 15. The mean of 5 numbers is 18. If one number is excluded, then their mean is 16. Then the excluded number is. The question is, they have given the mean which is 18. That mean is for 5 numbers. Again, one number they have removed. Excluded means they have removed. Then their mean becomes 16. You have to find this excluded number. What is that number you have to find? This is very simple because we have this formula, right? Using this formula only we can find. See, sum of 5 numbers upon 5 will be mean, right? But what is that mean? It is 18. Correct? So with this, sum of 5 numbers will become 18 into 5. Correct? So 18 into 5 is 90. So this will be 90. In the same manner, you can find sum of 4 numbers because one number is excluded, right? Sum of 4 numbers. What is that? That will be 16 because they have given, if they have excluded one number, mean became 16, right? Into 4. Why? Because here you had 4. Correct? Sum of 4 numbers by 4. That 4 will go here. Correct? Then this will become 64. Let this be 1 and let this be 2. Now you have sum of 5 numbers and you have sum of 4 numbers. You have to subtract that. Then you will get the excluded number. Correct? So excluded number is equal to 1 minus 2. 90 minus 64. That will give you 26. So this was the excluded number. So option D is the right answer. Okay. This type of question I am expecting in Hstr. Okay. And this type of question I am expecting in Karnataka TET. So Karnataka TET and Hstr aspirants, stay tuned and practice. Okay. I am damn sure that question can come from this worksheet only in your exam. You never know, it could be surprising, but you never know. Even with the same numbers, you may get one question in the exam. Okay. Now question number 16. The mean of first 5 prime numbers is. Now what are prime numbers? Prime numbers are those numbers which don't come in any table, right? See, I have made one class on a number system. I will give the link in the description. You please go and watch that lecture also. You will understand everything about numbers in this class. Okay. So in that class I have explained about prime numbers also. So prime numbers are those numbers which do not come in any table. Now what are the first 5 prime numbers? They should be 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. These are the numbers which do not come in the in any table, and these are the first 5 numbers, right? Now you have to find the mean. It is very simple, right? You do the sum of the observations divided by number of the observations. How many are there? 5, right? So this will give you 28 by 5, or this is equal to 5 5s are 25.6. 5.6 will be the right answer. So option B will be the right answer. Okay. Next question. The sum of deviations of the values 3, 4, 6, 8, 14 from their mean is. Now this is an interesting question. You have to find the sum of deviations. Remember what was the deviation? Deviation is equal to xi minus mean. That mean we denoted it by capital A or small a, remember? Yes, very nice if you are remembering. So let us make a table first. What is the given xi? 3, 4, 6, 8, 14. And what is this deviation? How you find it? Xi minus mean, right? Now what is the mean? The mean will be 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 14 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will give us 35 by 5 or 7. So this will be our mean. Now every time I have to subtract minus 7 now. Then I will get this deviation del, correct? So it will be minus 4, minus 3, minus 1, 1, then 7, correct? Now you find the summation del. So this del will be equal to 4 minus 3 minus 1 plus 1 plus 7. This will give us 0. So the right answer is option A, 0. But without doing this also you can just say that the answer is 0, because how can there be any deviation from the mean? You have on the list of numbers, will there be any deviation with the numbers from the mean? They will not change, right? So there will be no deviations at all. When there are no deviations, then sum of deviations is also 0, right? When deviation is only 0, then sum of deviation will also be 0, right? Still, if it did not click in your mind, anyway you can do this procedure and find the answer. Okay. Next question, number I think 18. Yes. The question is, if median is 15 and mean is 16, then mode is. Of course, we have our formula, right? We have to find the mode. What is the empirical formula? If I directly want to find the mode, then it is 3 into median minus 2 into mean. I am directly writing. I am twisting and turning with the arithmetic things. I am changing the order and I am directly writing the formula for mode. It is 3 times median minus 2 times mean. Correct? So this will be equal to 3 into 15 minus 2 into 16. Or this will be equal to 45 minus 32, or 13 will be the right answer. Option D will be the right answer. Okay.